Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. My name is Ariel. I'm a real estate agent licensed here in Jamaica. I help my clients with buying and selling properties here. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. And hey, we're going to take a tour of an apartment complex, a newly constructed complex here in Kingston 6, with some apartments and townhouses. Just to give you an idea of what's going on in the market, what it looks like, and how you can come and benefit. So anything you like, you let me know, all right? Alright, so here we have the townhouse complexes to the front, the apartment units to the back. Let's take a tour of the apartment. So the apartment block has 6 apartment complexes here, and of course there will be secured access getting in. Let's take a look at one of the units. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this 2-bed unit. From this unit, you actually have a nice little lookout spot. It's one of the units higher up. It's nice dark shade for the door. It's really nice. And they used a lot of white on the inside, especially for the doors. So coming in here, you have that half bath. Nice convenient space for guests. Let's make a quick run when you're watching a movie. Here is the washroom. Nice and spacious. You can step in. Still have a lot of room here. Put in your stackable space for you to even do your ironing if you so choose to. Tuck yourself away. And then you come into this open concept living dining room area. The kitchen for here. Of these are soft close drawers and cabinets. It's a nice big window here. You can take a quick look outside. Also helps to let in some light, and of course all the windows are meshed. That's always good. It already has the cutout for the refrigerator, and this nice open space here. Tray ceilings with pot lights. You can step out on the balcony. Some plants here. I believe this might be Ribena. It's probably beer is very heavy. But you don't even have to come out too far to pick your Ribena and make some juice. I do believe this is Ribena. And it does give this unit nice shade as well. So here is another view of the living space. Alright. Okay, now let's go check out secondary bedroom. So secondary bedroom here is actually facing the King's House Avenue, which is straight ahead. You have all this closet space. You can actually put some shelves in there, stack up your shoes. You have some more space up top. All these units are actually being sold with air condition. Don't have to worry too much about that either. Stepping into bathroom. rain shower head. Nice fixture there. Sliding glass door. And your mirror. Should need much more than that. Right, ladies? Alright, so let's go into the master. Alright, so the master now has pretty deep walk-in closet. Forgive the lack of light, there isn't much here at the moment. And empty out into master suite. Nice long windows. And you have your bathroom. Do like that. Similar rainy shower head. And of course, and for the days you want to just chill out, here you go. Nice big balcony. And for the apartment complex, there is this rooftop deck, and it gives you some lounging space, you know, the ability to kind of kick back and relax a little. The bar station, bathroom, you know, chilling out up here at night should be very, very nice. Get a really nice view of what's going on up here in Kingston 6, all the way up on the hill there. Alright, so let's take a look at the townhouse complex now. There are 4 units here. This is, look from outside. No spacing for double car garage. Let's go in. So nice, large, wide spaced door, and it greets you. These tires that make me want to go skating, but bones are not easily fixed at this age. So come to the kitchen with really tall cabinetry. I'm sure you're going to need some step ladders, but can never have enough space in the kitchen, I say. Nice big window. Right off the kitchen is the washroom. This is also a very big space. We have this half bath here. And some storage there. Alright, let's go up the first flight. And we have the first set of rooms. Let's start here. Tray ceilings all around. Walk-in closet. It's fairly dark, but loads of shelving. You have a shower. Got your throne hidden away. And nice. see what kind of balcony you have here. So this first level, we have some balcony space. You can maybe set up some chairs and kind of chill out on. So that's room 1. Let's check out room 2. Room 2 has some more space for storage and your clothes. So that's there. To the bathroom. Many shower heads again. And this actually has another patio. A little step out. That door. So that patio space is actually shared between the rooms on this floor. So let's go check out that other room. So what's this one? That's the bathroom. Smaller room, possibly child's room. Or storage here. Nice big window. And there's the balcony space again. So a few pluses, balcony and the ensuite bathroom, good pluses. Alright, now we're going up. Alright, so we're on the top floor. A lot of doors closed here. Let's see where to go first. Let's go this way. So this is your personal rooftop terrace. So each of the units does share or will have a terrace for themselves. Set up here like a hammock, some swinging chairs. I try to shade it a little bit, maybe with a pergola, something like that. Give yourself some shade, and this is a nice chill spot. So come in, and we have bathroom. Of course, this bathroom leads into this bedroom. This bedroom also has access to its own private balcony as well. And if you recall, there's one final door, and they gave you some more turf. So there's another side of the building that you can kind of come out on and chill out. I think here we'll probably have the better views at night with all the lights on the hills coming alive. So yeah, guys, if you are on the market for townhouse complex, Kingston 6, or if you're looking for some apartments, this is one to consider. Or if you're looking for any others, just reach out and give me a call. I'll leave the information in the description below. If you have any questions, man, feel free to reach out and let me know what you think. You know, at the end of the day, I do these videos to get your feedback, to represent you, show you what's going on, and also to let developers know. So feel free to put it all in the comments. All right, thanks again.